Hello students. So today we will see the small topic that is transient behavior and initial conditions. So the topic is transient behavior and initial conditions. In this we have the two conditions, that is initial condition and final conditions. So it is for the which evaluates the arbitrary constants, and this is helpful for finding the change in the selected variables in a circuit when a switch is thrown open from closed position or in the reverse direction, that is from closed to open. So the time of throwing the switch is we consider it as t equal to 0, and the one more variable, that is t equal to 0 minus, is the immediately before closing the switch, and one more t equal to 0 plus, that is immediately after closing the switch. So these two conditions are important. Then we have the resistors, inductors and capacitors. So how the initial conditions will apply for those passive elements, we can check. So first one, I will take the resistor. So for resistor, if I connect first one, that is resistor. So the circuit is, this is the voltage supply, then here I have the switch, then this is the resistor. So I will take it as V, and the resistor is as R, and switch is K. Then in this it flows the IR current. So according to Ohm's law, we can take it as V equal to I current to resistor into R, V equal to IR. So I value is nothing but it is V by R. Okay. So the current through resistor varies instantaneously when K is closed, and power dissipated as heat and doesn't store any energy. So this is about the resistor. The current varies immediately when K is closed. Okay. So the next concept is we take for the inductor. So the basic diagram for inductor is, inductor, if I take, so here you have the supply, power supply, this is switch, then inductor, V is the source, then L is the inductor, then current flowing through this is, you can take it as I of T, then the closing switch, we can show it as T equal to 0. Okay. So the switch is closed at T equal to 0, hence T equal to 0 minus, that is T equal to 0 minus, it corresponds to the instant when the switch is just open, and T equal to 0 plus corresponds to the instant when the switch is closed. The expression for the current flowing through inductor is given by, so the equation is I equal to 1 divided by L, then integration minus infinity to T, then V into T tau. Okay, T. So if I split this integration, this I can split like this, integration, that is I equal to 1 by L, then integration limits, that is from minus infinity to, I will take it as 0 minus V into d tau plus 1 by L integration from 0 minus to T V into d tau. I can split it like this. So this at the condition I equal to I of t, if I take this will go to I of 0 minus then plus 1 by L integration minus t to v of t tau. Okay, so when by putting the value, that is by putting the value t equal to 0 plus on both the sides, I will get it as I of 0 plus is equal to I of 0 minus plus 1 by L integration 0 plus v into t tau. So this value we can take it as I of 0 plus equal to I of 0 minus, so this value will go to 0, so this becomes I of 0 plus equal to I of 0 minus. This means the current in the inductor cannot change instantaneously, so consequently if I of 0 minus is 0, we get I of 0 plus equal to 0. So this means that at t equal to 0 plus, the inductor will act as a open circuit irrespective of the voltage across the terminals. Okay, so this is when the t